Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today on my channel. Today I'm actually going to be digging out an older video that was actually part of the collaboration that I did with my dad, DJFluidartz, a couple of months ago, but this part didn't make it into the collaboration. I wasn't really fond of how it looked with the other two pieces. So I decided that I would scrap this middle piece. So I was cleaning out my studio and I came across it, and I decided to pull it out and kind of do some manipulating of the edges. So you see here, part of the collaboration was that we would layer our paints according to paint density. So we'd been talking a lot about paint density at the time, and so we were looking to get cells without silicone. So we decided to layer it according to the least dense paint on bottom and the heavier paints on top. So what that does is when you swipe it, the heavier paints sink and those lighter paints float to the top, which causes the cell and the lacing. So that's what I'm doing here. I had to a couple of times go over that upper, I guess the lower section from your vantage point, because I just didn't think I had enough paint on there. So you'll see me do that. But in this collaboration, at the end, I did paint the edges gold and then removed the paint, and I wasn't really loving the gold a lot. So it kind of sat in a corner in my studio, and when I was cleaning the studio out, I came across it and decided to change the edge color. I also needed to sand down the gold because it was kind of gunky when I was adding it on, and so there were brush marks. So I sanded it down, the paint down, and then I repainted the edges, and it worked out fine. So you'll see that coming up. Now here I finished the swiping, but I'm gonna let you see a bit of a time lapse so that you can see the cells popping up. So I sped it up, I think like 6 times. That's as much as my program would let me speed this up. So I apologize if you need to fast forward, go ahead. But yeah, the paints and the paint densities will all be in the description below. I really like this pouring medium that I use for the swipes. It's actually Golden's pouring medium, gloss medium. It's not the gloss color pouring medium. It's the Golden's gloss medium. And I mixed it with, I think it was 50% Floetrol, 50% gold, or I'm sorry, not Golden Gak. It was 50% Floetrol and 50% of the Golden's gloss medium. And the reason I like it is that gloss medium is a little thicker and it holds the cells better. So you'll see that on the dried results, the cells don't spread. They pretty much stay where they're at, and I love that. So yeah, here's a close-up of the wet results. And then towards the end of the video, I'm going to stop talking now, but towards the end of the video, you see me give you the wet results in the original painting, the dry results of the original painting, and then what I changed it to. So thank you for being here. I appreciate all of you, and please like and subscribe. And don't forget to head on over to my dad's channel, DJFluidartz. I will link it at the end. I will link it now, and I did link it at the beginning, the collaboration video that we had. So go on over there, check out his channel. He does really, really cool masking tape edging on his FluidartZ. He does a lot of swipes, and he just did a really cool pearl cell swipe. So head on over there, check him out, give him some love, and yeah, thanks for being here. I'll see you next time.